3 programmable protectors, 3 programmable scale outs, 3 programmable trailing stops. So you can see there's 3 trade protectors, there's 3 scale outs, and there's 3 trail stops. So how do you use this? You just assign one of them to a setup. So I'll use trail stop 3 for the 5 1-minute trend. Well, what is trail stop 3? You got to go down to your trade management. So here's your scale outs, your trail stops, and your trade protectors. So scale out 3 or trail stop 3 is right here. And they're all the same default. You can change them. So you have 3 different ones. So this is, once I'm up by 12, trail my position by 4 pips behind. So it'll be +8. If I go up to +13, it'll be +9. If I go up to 14, it'll be +10. That's how the trail stop's going to work. The trail stop moves up to 10 and you're at 14, and then you're only up 13, you're only up 12, you're only up 11, then you're up 10, it'll take you out at the 10. So the trail stop only moves when you go up or down, whatever in the direction of the trade. That's how you do this. And you can make these work together. Maybe you want to take half off if you're up 10 and then trail that other half by 4 pips. And you set this at +10, trail by 4 at +10, also take half off. So you can have these work together. And then you can do, I'll tell you, the trade protector is just a one-time stop move. So if you're up 10, you want to move it to +6, you did it, and that's it. That's all the trade protector is, a one-time move of the stop. It's just to protect a trade that's in profit. Maybe you don't want to trail, you just want to get it to break even or up a few pips as soon as possible, and then you want the trade to work. You don't want to trail it. You just want the trade to go and keep yourself at a positive stop or a break-even stop so you don't lose anything on the trade. That's called the trade protector. Okay, you've got 3 of those to use, and you can use the same one for every setup. So I say you've got 3, but if you have Trade Protector 1 set up the way you like it, and you want every trade setup to use Trade Protector 1, then yeah, they can all use Trade Protector 1.